already counter-steering. Right now, every corner, every lane change, every time you dodge a pothole at speed, your body figured it out silently, but never told your brain. That's fine for survival, but it's terrible for actually improving. I'm going to show you what your hands are actually doing, and in 5 minutes, you learn to lean your bike better than you have in your entire riding life. Quick question. Last time you turned left on your bike, what did your hands do? I turned the bars left, bro. What dumbass question is this? Well, hear me out. At anything, say above 15 or 20 km per hour, turning your bars left makes your bike go right. Turn right, go left. This is counter steering, and your brain has been hiding it from you because you didn't need to know until now. It's like having a sugar mommy in 2026. She does everything for you, but never tells you what's actually going on. Technically working, completely mysterious, and absolutely no idea what was holding things together. Here's why. Your bike turns by leaning, not by steering. Once we get moving, our front wheel wants to stay upright. It's screaming, "I'm fine, I don't need your help." Sounds familiar, doesn't it? To make it lean right, you briefly push the right bar forward. That tips the bike over, and the lean is what actually steers you. The bar input just starts the fall. One sentence. That's all the technique is. Push the bar in the direction you want to go. Push right, go right. Push left, go left. Focus. We are not turning the bars right. We are just pushing right. Another way to say this is pull left to go right, and vice versa. It's the same logic. Most importantly, we are pushing forward, not up, not down. Just think of it as trying to straighten your arm. Try it right now on an empty road at, around 40. Gentle curve coming, push your inside hand forward firmly. Feel the bike drop into the lean instantly, cleaner than anything you've done before. That's counter steering working consciously for the very first time. Now, here's the part that will actually save you one day, because it has for me. You're in a corner and you're running wide. The bike isn't turning enough. Every instinct says brake or sit up. Both are wrong. Both will make you go wider. What you want to do is push harder on the inside bar. More input, deeper lean, and tighter turn. Your bike has more to give. So just let it. At some point on Indian roads, something is going to pull out in front of you mid-corner. Mostly doggish by an auto or someone reversing blind. Your reaction in that half second determines what happens next. The wrong reaction, grab brake and sit up, makes you run wider into whatever just appeared. The right reaction, hard push on the inside bar, tightens your line and gets you through. You cannot do the right thing under panic if you've never practiced it before when nothing is on the line. That is why I'm emphasizing on learning it right now with me. Your homework is damn simple. Find an empty road, go like 30 to 40, gentle corner. Push the inside bar and feel it. Left corner, push left. Right corner, push right. 10 reps each side. And that's it. Then do it on your way to college or work. Every corner, deliberate push. Not random, a deliberate one. Within a week, your cornering will feel like a completely different experience. The uncertain corners become easy, and the easy corners genuinely become fun. Practice your weak side specifically. Every rider corners better one way, and it's usually the left. I guess that's because your right hand is already juggling between throttle and front brake. Pushing forward for a right corner is a bit harder. Right turns also cross oncoming traffic, so you're tense before you even enter. Tense hands, bad input. Your right corners are scared, and we can fix that. Counter steering is the foundation. Every other skill, body position, trail braking, cornering lines, sits on top of this. Get this right, and suddenly everything else will make sense. Go ride And drop a comment on what corner has been scaring you and how you got over it so that we can all learn together. Subscribe if you actually want to get better and not just watch people who already are.